What do you hope to do this weekend?
I hope to go to the park with my family.
What do you wish you could do better?
I wish I could speak French fluently.
Do you hope it will be sunny tomorrow?
Yes, I hope the weather will be nice.
Do you wish you had more time to read?
Yes, I wish I could read more books.
Do you hope the movie will be good?
Yes, I hope it will be exciting and funny.
Can I sit here?
Sure, it's free.
May I take it?
Sure, help yourself.
Do you mind?
Not at all.
Can I use this?
Yes, go ahead.
May I leave early?
Yes, that's fine.
Can I call you?
Sure, anytime.
May I join you?
Yes, please.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Never mind.
All the best.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Congratulations.
Thank you for the kind words.
You look awesome.
Thanks for the compliment.
You did a great job.
Thanks for acknowledging my effort.
My dog died.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Do you dance?
Yes, I do.
Do you sing?
No, I don't.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
Will you come today?
Yes, I will.
Will you come tomorrow?
No, I won't.
Should I come too?
Yes, you should.
Who are you?
I am Mary.
What are you?
I am a student.
How are you?
I am fantastic.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Why are you upset?
I am not upset.
When are you coming?
I am coming right now.
Whom are you calling?
I am calling my mom.
Which one are you taking?
I am taking the red one.
Sarah, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this coat. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it?
At the mall on 5th Street.
Was it expensive?
No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20.
That's cheap.
I know. It was a really good deal.
Palm.
Thumb.
Index finger.
Fingernail.
Middle finger.
Ring finger.
Little finger.
Knuckles.
Wrist.
Fist.
I like pizza.
So do I.
I don't like burger.
Neither do I.
I can play chess.
So can I.
I can't play soccer.
Neither can I.
I am tired.
So am I.
I am not feeling well.
Neither am I.
I'll remember you.
So will I.
I can't forget you.
Neither will I.
Have you ever had a pet?
Yes, I have had a cat before.
Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, I had breakfast this morning.
What did you have for dinner last night?
I had rice and vegetables.
Have you ever had a bad day?
No, I haven't had any bad days recently.
How many books have you had this year?
I have had 5 books this year.
Have you ever had a cold?
Yes, I have had a cold many times.
Do you dance?
Yes, I do.
Do you sing?
No, I don't.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
Will you come today?
Yes, I will.
Should I come too?
Yes, you should.
Will you come tomorrow?
No, I won't.
Should I leave now?
No, you shouldn't.
Would you like to learn English?
Yes, I would. Could you give me a discount?
Could I have some more tea?
Could you drive more slowly?
Could I make a reservation?
Could you tell me the way?
Could I park my car here?
Could I use your pencil?
Could I borrow a pencil? He could speak French.
Could you repeat that?
Could I use your desk?
Could I change rooms?
Could I help you?